Who you calling? Call him.
Augustus Martin!
This house is crazy.
Strawberry! This is strawberry.
Turn around.
Where? Strawberry! Strawberry!
Excuse me, did you just throw a toy at my dog?
Yeah!
Did you?
Doggy! Bad doggy!
She's not bad. Don't throw it at her. Throw it so she'll go get it. Crazy dog. Whoa. Hey, go. What do you do? Oh, Coco's getting it for her. Oopsies. Boomba. Coco's. Come here, get the doggy.
Doggy!
Hi, Shelby. Give Shelby kisses. Nobody's home. Jace. Jace, be nice to her. Poor Shelby. What? Watch out. Uh-oh.
Auntie.
What?
What's this? See?
I don't like that. You're making dust.
What's going on in this house?
What's going on in this house? Bunch of crazy kids.
This house is crazy.
You think so?
Yeah.
I know so. Coco's laughing. My little buddy. Close your eyes. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go have a nap. Watch your feet near him, Jace. Careful.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you, sir?
Good.
Coco's, no touching Auntie's doggies.
Good night.
Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Sing a song for me. What's your name? Oh, yeah, yeah. I think you're going to be on American Idol. Cokie! Sit down on your bum, please. Comes Coco's around the corner. Call him.
Coco's!
Tell him come get you.
Come get me!
Come here, little buddy. Come on. Here he comes. Here he comes. Match, match, match. Match, match, match.
Come on, little buddy!
Go easy. Match. Whoops. Boomba, he broke his eggs. Cracked his eggs.
Crack my legs.
All right, I quit. Go, go, go. Get him, Cole, get him. What are you doing with my blanket? Why don't you take those boots off? Your feet stink.
Stop it.
Stop it. I didn't do a thing. Watch your brother's face.
Stop it. Stop it. Forget it. That's stinky.
You're stinky. All right. See you on the
Chip side.
flip side. Jace, look at me.
Yeah.
Look it.
Piece of dude.